little figment of my imagination. Could never call the cops or get social services to come here.
Oh, are you ready to admit everything? Should I make the call?
No. What are you doing here? Didn't I do right by you?
You think so?
Yeah. You know who you are? You're that little boy that's asleep right now. He wears arms upstairs, and then you're all soft and warm and safe, and you don't have a complaint in the world. I don't know why you would come sniffing around here trying to make me feel guilty.
You think just because you got me back to my mom and lied to her, told her I'm some kid you adopted off the street, that's okay?
Yeah, that's okay. Everybody's happy.
What about what you did?
Look what I did. It's not so bad.
Not so bad? You told Blair her baby died. How cruel is that?
What are you doing here? I thought I got rid of you.
I came to set the record straight. Blair needs to know what really happened to her baby.
How come you speak English so good?
Don't change the subject. You took one look at that little baby and you told me to get rid of it.
Yeah, but did you? No, I had to do all the work all by myself.
That's right. You tried to give the little guy to me so I could sell him.
But you didn't, did you?
So you dumped him on a couple of strangers.
That's right. On us?
Uh-huh.
Un hombre malo. Sí, sí. Un diablo.
Okay. This is getting a little weird.
And you hit an all-time low, Todd. You gave the baby away to someone as bad as you are. Maybe even worse.
No, not him.
Uh-oh.